Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.04 trillion. We're down 11.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially due to the fact that Bitcoin is very shaky, and that is causing the entire market to go down with Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is a leading indicator, so that does tend to happen. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $2.21. It's down 4.9% in the last 4 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 3.3% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 5 spot. Market cap right now is $72 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $11.6 billion. If we zoom out and look at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, Cardano is up in just the last year alone 4,200%. And just the last 2 weeks, we're up 66.1%. Despite the fact that we are seeing this market correction, due to the fact that, there's a lot of bearish news coming out for Bitcoin, but for only short, immediate term, despite that fact that, we are holding very strong. And that gets me very bullish for Cardano. So if we're deeping diver into the charts for Cardano, guys, so so far so good. Let's bring up the fib tool today early on to see what's exactly going on for Cardano. All right, so right here, and let's bring this out for you guys. So if you guys can see right now, Cardano had an all-time high of $2.47, and if you guys watched my previous video on Cardano, I was saying I expect this move to happen very soon, and that's exactly what we saw happen. And this is absolutely insane. And I went on my community page on YouTube and I said, guys, Cardano is not so boring anymore, right? Because that was a joke basically, because when we were in this accumulation zone, a lot of people were calling Cardano boring, and we saw a lot of people exit the markets from Cardano into different altcoins because they lost patience. So basically, this goes to show how important patience really is in crypto markets, and how patience really pays up if you have done your due diligence and research, and if you really believe in the project, your patience will pay off. As of now, guys, we are seeing obviously the markets pull down, Bitcoin is falling down, and there's a lot of factors into that. So let's jump into that first and then come back to see where we could see Cardano go in the immediate short term. All right, if we're going on, Bloomberg, they posted this. So basically today we saw, Mr. Whale, he is, an analyst. He came out and said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. And Elon Musk tweeted back saying, indeed. That's all. That's all he said. And guess what happened to the Bitcoin price, guys? You want to see that? Let's jump into Bitcoin's price. So as soon as that happened, Bitcoin decided to, it's like, it's all good. We're going downward, continue to go downwards. And this could be whales also manipulating the markets, as I have said. They take full advantage of these occasions. They love this. They love all these kind of news coming out, because they love to create panic, which can get them, cheaper Bitcoin in the end. So what happened was Bitcoin was literally hovering around this level. If you guys watched my VChain video, I did cover that. But as soon as this news came out, this is a strong level of support for Bitcoin, guys, which is at that $46,500 level. But as soon as this news came out, this tweet from Elon Musk, guess what happened to Bitcoin's price? Boom, back down. and we I did say this is another next level of support for Bitcoin, which is 43,299. We just wicked down below it, but guess what happened, guys? We got bought back up right away. So this goes to show how strong of a level of support this really is. And right now we're up 6.26% since its pullback down here. One thing I don't get is a lot of people, get to, have a, deciding factor as to what Elon Musk is saying. He came out and himself, he said cryptocurrency is very, very promising and it is not going anywhere. The reason as to why they stopped accepting Bitcoin was because, as you guys may know, Bitcoin mining has a lot of negative effect on, the environment. So his company specializes in solar energy and electric cars. So obviously, if they're accepting Bitcoin, there's going to be some people that are going to have some negative image and talk bad about the company. Oh, look, these guys specialize in this, but they're accepting Bitcoin when it takes so much power, which is very bad for the environment. So that's as to why he said that, and I could see why he did that, because at the end of the day, his brand matters a lot to him. But what happened was that obviously the initial price pullback for Bitcoin is going to be rough, because at the that tweet is can create a lot of panic, and that's exactly what we saw. But whales decided to take more advantage of it and create more bearishness, and that's exactly what we saw. But as of now, I would like Bitcoin to get back into this range, guys. This is what I would like to for Bitcoin to get back into this range and stay above here, 55,000, or a trade above 46,000, and I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish even if we go down. The next level of support would be around this level at that $37,000. Do I see that happening? There's definitely a possibility. We never know what whales can do in this market. But now let's jump into ADA's charts and see what's going on with ADA. So despite the fact that I just showed you Bitcoin is going insane right now, especially towards the downwards trend. So far, the entire market sentiment for the short term is bearish because of Bitcoin. You guys know Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. So if it goes down, the entire market goes down with it. But what's really surprising to me is that despite the fact that we are seeing this happen with Bitcoin, Cardano is holding very, very strong. Cardano is holding very strong, and that is very, very bullish, sign indeed for Cardano. Since its all-time high, guys, we have pulled down, just 12.4%. Very, very normal. Very normal, and it's still looking very, very healthy. And I personally believe as long as Bitcoin stabilizes at a specific level, I personally would like it to go above that 46,000 level and, trade sideways there. And, if that happens, it stays, trade sideways, we are about to see some massive moves for Cardano. And also Cardano speculation, as you guys may know, there's a lot of speculation going on that, the next currency, the replacement for Bitcoin for Tesla payments is going to be Cardano. A lot of people are getting excited about that. And a lot of people are speculating about that. That's why we're seeing so much, early hype kicking in for Cardano right now. But despite the fact that if we were to even get the Tesla news to come out, even if they do not accept it, obviously if they do not accept it, we might see some sort of retracement. But guys, you guys got to see what Cardano really is doing and what they are delivering. Alonzo hard fork is coming out, and we are seeing a lot of institutional interest coming into the space. And on top of that, we're seeing Africa expansion that is getting a lot of people excited. And, I believe Cardano is going to be the biggest blockchain in the next 3 to 5 years, if you consider it at the rate we are currently growing at. But, as of now, everything is looking very, very well. This is a strong level of support now for Cardano at that $2 mark. If we do go in the downwards trend, if Bitcoin decides to fall further down, I could see us go below that. But let's say Bitcoin decides to even fall further and go down to $37,000, we could definitely go back to $1.80 if we're unable to hold around this price range. We have tons of support built up around that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement, which is between $1.60. But so far, so good. Everything is looking very, very fine, and I do expect the markets to recover very fast. I believe this is whale manipulation occurring at its finest. And yeah, so everything is looking very, very well for Cardano. If we're going on staking rewards, guys, despite the fact that we're seeing this dip, look at how much stake value there is in Cardano right now. $49.3 billion worth of Cardano is being staked right now. And this is only going to grow as time goes by, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning for Cardano to take over the crypto industry. I can honestly see that happening. I'm a big believer in it, but again, this is just my own personal opinion, and only time will tell. But so far, so good. $49.3 billion worth of Cardano is being staked. That's absolutely massive. And I believe when we really do see the demand kick in, we will see a supply shock, very big supply shock. That meaning that less coins will be on the exchanges, and when the demand is really high, prices are going to skyrocket, absolutely go crazy. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now too. We're starting to see a little bit of hints of that occurring already. So very, very exciting times ahead indeed for the markets, guys. These kind of corrections always occur. This is very, very normal in crypto. I know a lot of new money is coming into the space. This could be very, very scary, but guys, this is very, very normal in crypto. You guys just have to get used to it. You always have to do your due diligence and research, and always invest what you can afford to lose. As long as you do this, patience will be your number one key. Just stop looking at the charts 24/7. If you're in for the long haul, just forget about it, and your patience will be rewarded. I strongly believe Cardano is just at the beginning, and it is just getting started. And we have very, very exciting times ahead coming for it in the near time future indeed. But with that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section below where you could see Cardano go at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. I could personally see Cardano smash past $3 at the end of this month. I'm a very, very strong believer on that. And but yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. But it's long term, guys. Sky's the limit for Cardano. Sky is the absolute limit. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below where you could see Cardano trading at the end of the month. And stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And before I end this video, to all my viewers, all my supporters, all my day one supporters, if you guys are supporting and would like to support my channel, link in the description box below. I have launched my official merch. You guys can purchase a hoodie or a t-shirt. It comes in two colors, blue or black. If you do decide to purchase it, it does help out the channel tremendously, and I would greatly appreciate it. But do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and keep supporting Road to 20,000 subscribers. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.